Peace action and activities of social concern. Peace action and activities of social concern refer to efforts and initiative aimed at promoting peace, social justice, and addressing issues that affect communities. These activities can include advocating for nonviolence, organizing community outreach programs, supporting conflict resolution, and raising awareness about social inequalities. The goal is to create a more peaceful and equitable social through education, dialogue, and collective action. Peace building includes not only the renunciation of physical and structural violence, but also the positive engagement in activities that empower the weak and poor, who are ordinarily the victim of violence. Hence, the college provides to its member opportunities for reach out activities which mainly build a sense of self-resilience among the outside group served. Peace building goes beyond just avoiding violence. It actively involves empowering those who are vulnerable, such as weak and poor, who often suffer most from violence. The college supports this by offering its member opportunities to engage in outreach activity that help outside communities become more self-reliant. These activities are designed to build skills, provide resources, and create sense of independence contributing to long-term peace and stability. Some of Miriam Initiative Reach Out programs where member of the school can volunteer are A. The Academic and Vocation Program for illiterate adults and out-of-school youth. The Academic and Vocational Program for illiterate adult and out-of-school youth. This program provides education and job training for adults who are illiterate and young people who have dropped out of school. Its goal is to improve their literacy skills and offer vocational training, enabling them to secure better employment opportunities and enhance their quality of life. B. Catechetical Ministry of Public School Children. Catechetical Ministry of Public School Children. This initiative focuses on providing religious education to children in public school. Through this ministry, the college offers spiritual guidance and teaching, helping to instill moral values and faith in young adults. C. Education session for mothers and children in poverty situations. Education session for mother and children poverty situation. These sessions are designed to support mothers and their children who are living in poverty. The program provides education on topics such as health, nutrition, and children aim to improve their overall well-being and break the cycle of poverty. D. Enrichment session for the handicapped in cooperation with the Maryknoll Sister. Enrichment session for the handicapped. This program offers enrichment activities for individuals with disabilities, providing them with opportunities for personal development, and social interaction. The collaboration with the Meritnal sister ensured that these sessions are tailored to the specific needs of the participants, fostering inclusion and empowerment. E. The Mariam Volunteers Mission program of overseas locations such as in the Thailand-Burma borders area. These volunteers programs send participants to overseas location like Thailand-Burma borders area, where they engage in various humanitarian and develop efforts. Volunteers work on the project and support marginalized communities, promoting peace, education, and sustainable development in these regions. Members of school community are also encouraged to do volunteers working in partnership with outside group through the collaboration of the institutional network for social action and the kilusan ng Mirayam sa Kalamidad, Mirayam's movement to help calamities victim. It encouraged students, staff, and faculty to engage in volunteer work by partnering with external organizations, particularly through programs like the Institutional Network for Social Actions and Kilusan ng Mirayam sa Kalamidad. This initiative focus on addressing social issues such as aiding those affected by natural disaster. They also encouraged to participate in other forms of peace action such as writing against media violence, buying and participating and in demonstrations, supporting the peace process and ceasefires, calling for the repeal of death penalty, calling for gun control law, and a ban against the manufacture and sale of gun replicas, and representing position papers petition to authorities, seeking the retention of Article 9 in Japan's constitution, calling government officials to shun corruption, and etc. The school promote various forms of peace activism. Members of the community are encouraged to participate in activities that advocate for social change, such as writing letters to oppose harmful media content, lobbying for legislative changes, supporting peace efforts, repealing the death penalty, and advocating for gun control, and joining demonstration. The statement also mentioned the importance of presenting position papers and petition to authorities on critical issues like maintaining Japan Article 9, which renounced war, and opposing government corruption. Overall, the school seek to instill a sense of civil duty and empower the member to contribute to peace and social justice. The foregoing is an attempt to illustrate how a school can begin to take steps toward a whole school approach. Institution and administrative support is crucial in this process, and the commitment of those who will take the lead and those who will cooperate and essential. This will be the demand in terms of time and preparation for the different element in the approach, but the reward will be worth and efforts. It means being able to celebrate a social culture that is only feasible but is also facilitative of the needed changes in the larger society. It emphasized the importance of a comprehensive school-wide approach to fostering a culture of peace and social responsibility. It suggests that the school, to effectively implement such an approach, strong institutional and administrative support is essential. Leaders within the school, also with the cooperation of the entire community, must be fully committed to the process. The statement acknowledged that adopting this approach will require significant time and preparation, as it involved integrating various element preparation into a school culture and operations. However, the effort is seen as a worthwhile because it leads to the develop of the school environment that not only promote peace and harmony within the school but also support positive changes in society at large. Ultimately, the goal is to create school culture that actively contributed to building a better and more just world. And that's all of my report, sir. Thank you.